For optimal health. Plant-based nutrition has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. A plant-based diet mainly consists of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, while minimizing or eliminating the consumption of animal products. So let's explore the importance of plant-based nutrition for optimal health. First and foremost, a plant-based diet is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a strong immune system, promoting healthy cell function, and protecting the body against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Furthermore, plant-based foods are naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which are common culprits in the development of cardiovascular diseases. By eliminating or minimizing the consumption of animal products, individuals can lower their risk of high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and other risk factors associated with heart disease. Plant-based diets have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 42%. In addition to cardiovascular health, plant-based nutrition is also beneficial for weight management. Plant-based diets tend to be higher in fiber and lower in calorie density compared to diets that include meat and dairy. Fiber-rich foods are more filling and can help individuals stay satisfied for longer periods, reducing the likelihood of overeating and promoting weight loss or maintenance. Studies suggest that individuals who follow plant-based diets tend to have lower body mass indexes, BMIs, and lower rates of obesity compared to those who consume more animal products. Plant-based nutrition is also known to have anti-inflammatory and disease-fighting properties. Many chronic diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease, are rooted in inflammation. By consuming plant-based foods that are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, individuals can help reduce inflammation levels in their bodies and potentially alleviate symptoms associated with these conditions. Moreover, plant-based diets have been linked to a lower risk of developing certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. The benefits of plant-based nutrition extend beyond physical health and can greatly impact mental and emotional well-being. Researchers have found that diets high in fruits and vegetables are associated with a lower risk of depression and anxiety. Certain nutrients found in plant-based foods, such as folate and omega-3 fatty acids, play crucial roles in brain health and may help alleviate symptoms of mental health disorders. Additionally, plant-based diets have been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Another major advantage of plant-based nutrition is its positive impact on the environment. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By adopting a plant-based diet, individuals can reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable planet. Additionally, plant-based diets require less land, water, and energy compared to animal-based diets. Therefore, promoting plant-based nutrition not only benefits personal health, but also helps mitigate climate change and preserve natural resources. In conclusion, plant-based nutrition offers numerous benefits for optimal health. Plant-based diets provide essential nutrients, lower the risk of heart disease and obesity, reduce inflammation, and may prevent certain types of cancer. They also contribute to mental and emotional well-being while promoting a sustainable environment. As the evidence in favor of plant-based nutrition continues to grow, it is worth considering incorporating more plant-based foods into our diets for a healthier and more sustainable future. I hope this information on plant-based nutrition was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and for more topics and tips on veganism, vegan recipes, kale diets, kale smoothies, and eating healthy on plant-based diets. So let's start today by changing our diets for a healthier lifestyle. And remember, you are what you eat.